The recent revelation regarding the U.S. Federal Reserve's adoption of XRP has garnered a lot of interest. St. Louis Federal Reserve Senior Vice President David Andelfato has brought attention to the possibility of integrating RipLenit for payment processing. You might have heard that in order for RipLenit to facilitate these kinds of transactions, XRP is required. According to David Antefalti, the Federal Reserve might appoint a third party like Ripple to handle settlements. The value of XRP might skyrocket, maybe reaching $10,000 if this report comes true. The Federal Reserve's prior action in this regard is noteworthy, roughly 30 days ago. Federal Reserve officials have publicly stated their interest in XRP and XLM as potential enhancements to the FedNow Payment Services blockchain. One reason Ripple is getting a lot of attention is its novel approach to international money transfers and its open source technology that simplifies financial operations. The value of XRP is expected to skyrocket if FedNow uses Ripple's technology. Please subscribe and enable notifications before we begin so that you may demonstrate your support. When it comes to XRP, no one does it better than the R family. We will do a massive XRP giveaway after we hit 60,000 subscribers. You can submit your application with ease. Just follow these 3 steps. That being said, finish it all. To reserve your space, simply include the hashtag in the comment section. This is your go-ahead. Now let's jump right into today's subject. According to federalreserve.gov, the official website of the Federal Reserve, we will now be concentrating on the partnership between Ripple and the Federal Reserve. There will be faster payments in the United States, according to the report. The study recognizes Ripple as an important Federal Reserve partner in developing payment solutions in the first section, which focuses on the speedier payment task force approach. Unlike traditional methods, which take 2 to 4 days and give limited tracking and price transparency, Ripple can reportedly deliver real-time international transfers. By providing immediate settlement and full transparency on the status of payments and fees, Ripple revolutionizes this sector. The next piece of information is that the partnership between Ripple and the Fed has expanded to encompass domestic transfers. The extensive evidence is available for viewers to peruse during movie breaks, lending credence to this claim. The research highlights the ways in which Ripple collaborates with various central banks, which is crucial. To improve domestic payment systems through collaborating with the Federal Reserve, the Bank of England, and the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority. The investigation also sheds information on the groundbreaking payment processing work done by Ripple Labs, particularly their free, worldwide real-time settlement infrastructure. This news suggests that the Federal Reserve is considering adopting and utilizing Ripple's decentralized peer-to-peer settlement system. This technology is expected to replace the current procedures for transferring funds. Looking back, we can see that this change was brewing for some time. The possibility of a fully digital America was discussed in an interview with the Federal Reserve that aired on Fox News. There was money with the Ripple emblem on it a little over a year ago. Some of the most illustrious names in finance, including the Federal Reserve Board, the IMF, the BIIs, and the International Monetary System, have added Ripple to their list of covert associates. Based on this, it seems like these companies are interested in Ripple's technology. As one delves deeper into the fascinating realm of global banking, it becomes apparent that a considerable amount of the world's wealth is overseen by the Bank of International Settlements, BIs. It is significant that Ripple has entered this field. The statement sent by the Department of the Interior quotes Jess Chan, a senior attorney with the Frederickshire Board of Governors. Rumor has it that this initiative is being spearheaded by Jess, a former deputy general. There are numerous ways to peel back the layers of intricacy, and they all link. Nevertheless, that is merely the beginning. I may shock some of you with what I'm about to reveal. Increasing interest rates and constraints on the real estate market could lead to financial losses for banks. The Federal Reserve recently issued a warning, and it's worth noting that this has been discussed with several partners since early March. In addition, XRP appears to be gaining support from the European Union and the BRICS countries. In the future, the digital euro might use the XRP ledger to handle wealth transfers, and the EU claims that XRP might be its basis. There are a lot of articles claiming that XRP's value would soon skyrocket. A key market participant has forecasted a $500.50 jump in the near future and a $10,000 surge in the distant future, due to rising demand on a worldwide scale. One of Ripple's co-founders, Arthur Brito, has the idea for this. The storyline surrounding XRP is changing at a quick pace, as seen in the video. Following the resolution of the dispute between SECV and Ripple, the BRICS nations have decided to work with Ripple to create a digital currency for their central bank that is built on the XRP blockchain. The BRICS nations' digital currency is expected to revolutionize global finance, according to recent studies. In addition, we will undertake thorough investigations in each of the BRICS nations since there is proof of Ripple's extensive network there. Let's begin our adventure in Brazil, the epicenter of a seismic change. Brazil has introduced a groundbreaking on-demand liquidity service for cryptocurrencies in collaboration with Ripple. The country's financial technology environment has made great strides thanks to this endeavor. Russia will be the focal point of our further actions. President Putin has shifted his strategy away from relying on the US dollar and the petrodollar, as is evident from the available information. A significant shift in favor of Ripple Labs has occurred as a consequence of SWIFT's decision to delist Russia from its payment system. The finishing touch will be an XRP-based CBDC, digital currency that will be created by the Russian central bank. By circumventing the SWIFT prohibition and making use of the decentralized XRP ledger, Russia has assured its support for India's ambitious digital rupee initiative. Ripple is once again spearheading a major initiative. In its pursuit of establishing a fully functional global CBDC using the technology developed by Ripple Labs, India has taken a giant leap forward with this endeavor. But that's not all there is to it. Another country that is trying to get into the digital currency industry is China, and they're teaming up with Ripple to do it. Through our collaboration, we are highlighting the growing impact of Ripple on the international financial sector. The story is the same in every African country. A report from 2022 on blockchain technology in Africa claims that CBDCs on the XRP ledger are becoming increasingly important inside the continent. The research shows that South Africa is one of over a dozen African countries that have integrated Ripple and XRP into their payment systems. The ledger is becoming increasingly important to Africa's financial industry, as seen by its broad adoption. Finally, XRP has been recognized as a top digital asset for payment services according to recent BRICS research. When it comes to digital currencies, XRP is now unquestionably at the top. As a result of recent events, several famous XRP price predictions have become popular. A comprehensive review is inevitable in light of the statements made by prominent financial experts. The general population had anticipated that XRP will be priced at $500.50. We found ChatGPT, a top AI bot, to be an interesting source of knowledge. The four cryptocurrencies that this AI has singled out, XRP, Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, are poised to experience an unprecedented surge of 100,000% by the year 2024. If you ask Arthur Brito, co-founder of Ripple, such a price for XRP isn't shocking. He has long held the belief that XRP was bound to hit $10,000 and has seen it happen. Brito goes on to say that XRP has the potential to expand to meet the world's projected $7.5 billion in financial demands. What does $500 signify in this particular situation? In light of XRP's immense potential, $500 is really a baby step. However, the XRP ledger needs worldwide scalability and substantial financial activity to reach this enormous $10,000 price target. The 21 nations' public commitments to abandon the US dollar have only served to strengthen the current trend of virtual institutions teaming up with AI to launch CBDCs on the XRP ledger. Crucially, Ripple is seeing an uptick in partnerships from central banks, and these institutions are increasingly using the XRP ledger in their own operations.